coming to Komal, we all know that we want to build really good relationship with our children, especially teenagers. They are growing up. There are so many hormonal changes happening. So, what are some of the suggestion you would give Komal to make healthy relationship with teenagers? And since you already have teenagers, I think you can have share your own experience as well. So, over to you. That what are some of the things that you can share with people here?
Yeah, thank you, Lata, for this opportunity. Creating and maintaining a strong, positive relationship with your teen is very important. But I would rather say, I asked myself, what do I do and I want when I was a teenager? We all had made mistakes in our teenage life. And I think the good and good memories itni hongi, jitni we made the mistakes jo hame aaj tak yaad ho. And everyone we learn from the mistakes. So I think it is just the time phase which will go. Only thing is this, you should have that confidence in your child. If anything goes wrong, the child should come to you first and he can share your experience and share everything with you. I know the teens are becoming more independent and they spend more time with their friends and frequently have their own views and opinions. Definitely these days in media also influences are more. But I would say this is a new experience and self-discovery time for them. So spending quality time with your teen is very important. As Shan also said, it grow closer to your bond with your child grows closer to you. Quality time does not mean that you have to be there for 24/7. Like this during this pandemic time also, um, I with my daughters spend. I'm not there for 24/7, but during my bedtime time, we are there for half an hour. Half an hour is also best time. At that time, I do not use my mobile phones. We just discuss few things. We play games also. That is more than sufficient. So half an hour time is also a quality time, but you should be present fully at that time. Then Shan said communication. Communication is very important. Uh, Secondly, for the teen, you have to be a role model for them. This should be there. Like uh, I have set the rule that you are not supposed to use mobile phone like after 11 o'clock. But if I am using it, how can I ask my child to not to use it? So you have to be role model. Remember, they learn watching you, so you have to be role model. Spend time with them, then they'll open up with you. It can quality time to when express, it can be like we can do online shopping, we can go for a drive, it is also good. And like my daughters have grown up now. Initially I was also like अब जब तक छोटे थे ठीक है, I used to ठीक है cuddle कर लिया, प्यार different type के वो कर ली. The moment they have grown up, I used to be ठीक है बड़े हो गए, but no, children are always children for you. You should give a hug to them. A simple hug, a small gesture can make a big difference. You can pat on their back and positive comments. These days media is phones are everyone. Even a small text message, I love you beta, is more than sufficient. So this create a good communication with your child. These days teens have developed their critical thinking skills. When any problem arises, firstly I would say ask their perspective and welcome their ideas, and then work. Sometimes as a parent I used to do no. With my experience I tell you this is right. No, first listen to their views. I think उनके पास better ideas होते हैं. And when I also become like that ना कि अच्छा बेटा please help me, just before the Zoom meeting something went wrong, so I was like कि बेटा please help me, although I could have done, but एक बहुत अच्छी bonding बनती है उससे बच्चों से. Treat them as a they are equal to you. Don't मतलब have resolve so that they can resolve the problems. Show faith and do positive encouragement to them. Show gratitude to them. It is never too late to strengthen your relationship with your child. As I said, कि no no अब तो ठीक है अब although my daughters are 15 16 अब late no start it right now. It is not कि भाई 10 years पे या 11 years पे, start it right now and strength these small things can do wonders. And these challenging fun years last for some time, but your relationship with your child is forever. So I think these are the things which we can develop with the child, and we have a good friendly relationship with them. So thank you so much, Lata and Shan.
Yeah, thank you so much, Komal. That was wonderful, and some really good tips. No matter how much we grow up, we still need, hug from, our parents, and we should continue giving that time, that space to our children, because no matter what, they will always be our children, and we'll be parents to them.